What's up, guys? Let me show you how I accomplished this cute lace wig style. But before we get into it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe button, okay? So as you guys can see, I just started off with a simple and easy braid back cornrow pattern. That's because these are the braids that just stays under. My edges are white because I did put a little bit of edge control in there just so that I can push my edges back and it's not in the way, it doesn't get stuck in the glue. So all the information on this wig will be in a description box below, but I did purchase it from Amazon. But so for this particular style, we're gonna go ahead on and go with that ball cap method, you guys. And it's because I just really wanted to mimic the scalp very well. As you guys can see, at first I did just poke some holes on the side where my ears are just so that I can get the cap to be all the way where I need it to be. And just right now I'm just cutting it, where I laid the glue at. Of course, it's important too with the ball cap method to go ahead and use a really good foundation, the color of your skin, so that it really does mimic your scalp. This time around, you guys, I did decide to use 2 applications of the glue just because I really wanted it to stay and hold. So as I am applying this glue, I did use that time to go ahead and add a little bit of foundation powder to the wig so that it also blends in perfectly. So I've seen it where people will actually cut the lace before they glue it onto their head or before they put it on their head. And I've seen people actually glue it on first and then cut the lace once it's glued on. I feel like they're both the same, honestly. If you cut the lace before you put on the wig to measure it, you might line it up and it might not match up with where you put the glue. So I mean, it all depends on your placement and everything. But as you guys can see, this wig was a little bit big around my ears, and I do not like when it irritates behind my ear. It is so painful. So I just went in and cut, a little bit off of the side because I really did not want it to catch my ear and it just hurts. It's not a good feeling, guys. So this is like one of the most crucial parts, is just making sure that that lace is nice and melted into your skin. And I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? So this wig, I actually did not bleach it. I did not bleach the knots. So this is straight out of the box, guys. And I think it melted pretty well. So right now, this wig was such a beautiful customized, I mean, it was just perfect. When I say that, I mean like the way that the hair on the sides just laid down, it was just beautiful. Like it wasn't too much hair on the edges. It was nice. I don't even know what to say, but the wig was really designed well. So right now you just see me taking out my little baby hairs, my little side hairs. So what I usually do is I cut it, get my scissors, cut it, and then I'll use my really skinny flattener and I'll kind of curl it going upwards. That way when I do go in to sculpt it and shape it, it lays really nicely. So that's what you guys see me doing right here. I am doing both my sideburns and I'm doing my edges. I feel like that just gives it such a beautiful look. All the products that I used, you guys, I will definitely link them down below. But if you watched any of my other lace install videos, everything is pretty much the same. I haven't changed my method. I haven't changed anything. So I know I look crazy right now. I'm putting on 3 different melting bands, but you guys, I just really wanted to make sure my edges laid flat everything was being flattened down. So that's why you see me looking crazy right now with 3 of these things. At first, when I got this wig, I thought, hey, I just wanted to wear it out, just wear it normal. But then I got the idea that I said, let's try something a little different. So I wanted to do like a different style. You guys will see, at first it started off with just the middle part. That's when I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna do the middle part. But then I realized that I really wanted to do something different. So later on in the video, you'll actually see me parting the wig and doing a specific design in there. One thing I noticed with this hair is that it really did take really well to product and water, mostly water. So you don't really need to put too much in it, just some water, and them curls were popping. So I don't know if you guys have ever tried braiding on the lace wig or styling lace wigs before, but it is not easy, you guys. I mean, I am used to braiding and filling scalp, filling the roots, gripping the roots. So with this lace wig and braiding it, it was really, really hard. Although you guys can't see it in the video, I did have to take the braids out and redo them quite a few times just to get them to look decent. But it is not easy doing this. I recommend getting a really, really good product so that it can stay in your hands, because the hair is very slippery, and so it's just really hard to grip. So just make sure you have a really good product that will allow you to be able to grip the hair and make the braids look nice and neat. So I just ended up doing the same exact braid on the other side, and I tried to get the parting as perfect as possible, the braiding as perfect as possible, because it is a nice little braid design. But as you guys will see, it did come out pretty well, even though I did have to do it multiple times. So for this style, I just took the remaining hair that was in the middle and I put it in a ponytail. Of course, I added the 2 braids to it, but the hair that was left out of the opposite end of the ponytail, I just let it blend in with the rest of the hair. And voila, you guys, this is how it came out. It is so beautiful. I really love the way that this turned out, you guys. So if you enjoyed seeing this video, you enjoy seeing me installing lace wigs, you guys, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below. Definitely see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much. Bye.